The Apple Watch Series 10 marks a notable chapter in the smartwatch saga, presenting slight modifications that promise to enhance everyday wear, while keeping the familiar essence that fans adore. As the device enters its 10th year, it does so with a smaller frame and lighter weight, transforming what was already a best-selling product into something more seamless and wearable. While at first glance, you may not perceive the subtle differences in design, the innovative engineering underneath showcases Apple's dedication to evolving its flagship device, ensuring it remains a top contender in a saturated market. With both 42mm and 46mm options, the Series 10 offers a case size increase of just 1mm, which is hardly noticeable when adorned on the wrist. Yet, it's the reduction of thickness by 1mm and a minimal weight drop of 2G that gives the watch its remarkable wearability. This clever redesign means the watch can now nestle more comfortably under shirt cuffs, swaying less with movement while exercising, thus providing a more stable experience. Small adjustments often lead to big results, and Apple has successfully made the Series 10 a more natural accessory during both daily activities and workouts. The display receives a significant upgrade, boasting screens that are up to 9% larger than the preceding 3 generations, offering a visual experience that is not only more expansive, but also more inviting for users to interact. The 46mm model shines the brightest, with the largest Apple Watch screen available, designed to accommodate larger buttons and additional text. For users whose vision may be fading, these enhancements allow for improved readability without sacrificing functionality, whether peeking at a notification or glancing at workout stats. The crystal clarity and increased brightness of the display make accessing information more efficient than ever. Battery life has seen a slight boost too, with the 46mm Series 10 holding out for about 48 hours of consistent wear, a welcome upgrade for spontaneous weekend prowls. While charging may remain a bi-daily task, the speed with which it recharges is impressive, reaching up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Engineered with the environment in mind, the watch incorporates over 30% recycled materials, while Apple's commitment to sustainability is echoed in its trade-in and recycling programs. As the 10th iteration graces the market, it represents not just incremental improvements, but a philosophy of maintaining elegance and capability while being conscientious of our planet.